welcome back to Mom's Garage. As you can see from the title of the video, the BRZ is no more. But we have a new project that my mom's going to be helping us with. So let's go see what it is.
This is our new 2021 Ford Ranger Lariat FX4 Black Appearance Package. On the 2021 Ford Rangers, on the Black Appearance Package, they blacked out the Ford badges, which you'll see on the front and back. Our truck came equipped with these awesome Ranger door sill plates.
Well, we already ordered a bunch of goodies, so now let's go inside and talk about them. So, Mom's going to be taking over the Ranger project.
Hi, I'm Angel. I'm going to be taking over the Ranger project. And first I want to tell you a story about what's in this box. When we went, we wanted some really cool floor mats for our Ranger. I know a lot of people like WeatherTechs, but we wanted the ones that said Ranger on them. So we went in thinking that we had X amount of points, and we told him that we wanted to buy these floor mats, and he went and said they're in stock. He went and got them for us. He came back and gave us a receipt and said, "You're all set." And we looked at each other, we looked at him and said, "Don't we have to pay?" And he said, "You wanted to use points, right?" And he said, "Yeah." And he said, "You're all set." So we got our $195 floor mats with points. So now, let's see what they look like. Oh, nice. Wow. All right, we got the back ones. Oh, nice. Those are cool. Other side. Let's go put them in. Alright, you ready? Oh wait, these have a weird poppy thing. Okay. Alright. Guess where these old ones are going? That's right, Marty. They're going in the bin. Those are so nice. Those are official Ford. Uh-oh. There we go. Good fitment. Oh, this is the exciting part. This is this side. Official Ford Max. Oh, those are so nice. And nice. Alright, they are all in. They fit amazing. They look awesome. Absolutely love them. I would recommend them to anybody.